Hey guys, Dr. Jordan here. I just wanted to share with you a few of my favorite back exercises on my favorite piece of machinery, Roman Hyperextension chair. I would encourage every chiropractic patient to have this piece of machinery in your house. This is when it's all set up. The nice thing about this is it collapses all the way down. It has wheels on it, so you can collapse it and store it in a closet, so it doesn't take up a bunch of room. So even if you live in an apartment, you know, it's easy to store, and there's a few different exercises that you can do on it, okay? So number one, we're gonna work on just a good full range of motion and strengthening the low back, okay? So you always wanna do a progression with each of these exercises. So the first one you're gonna do is just support it, okay? So if you're somebody who's coming off of an acute low back injury, this is a situation where you're just trying to regain some mobility in that area, so you have the handles here for support. Okay, so you might just start off and maybe it's just a little bit of a range of motion, but over time you're going to work that full range of motion to the point that you can do a body weight. Okay, so you can use your body weight just like this, and then eventually you can work into using some weight where you can hold on to a plate, or here I just have a dumbbell and you can kind of hold on to that. So that's number one. Number two is for strengthening what's called quadratus lumborum, which is your number one big low back stabilizer. So in this situation, what you're going to do is you're going to stagger your feet. You're going to be on your side. Obviously, we'll do it on both sides. I'm not going to demonstrate on both sides, but the first one is supported again. So you can put your hand here, and you're going up and down. Again, you're strengthening the muscle kind of in the back, along the side, called your quadratus lumborum. Eventually, you want to get to the point where you can do a full range of motion body weight. Okay, just like this. And then for some of you, you'll move into a weighted version. Okay, all the way down and all the way up. Okay, making sure we're working through a full range of motion. Third and last exercise that you're going to do is for your trapezius muscle in your lower traps. So basically your mid-back area. There's two ways of doing it. Obviously you can do it without weights. So you're just going to bring your arms up and out just like this. Again, there's really not a way to do this one supported, but you're going to come out in like a V shape, okay? Eventually you'll do it where you have the weights and coming out like this, okay? Another way of doing it is coming here, pushing up, and then coming down. So if you can't get your arms all the way up, you can start at your shoulders, push up, and then just come down, come back here, push up, and then come down, okay? And there's another way to do these exercises weighted, especially the first one. You take a 5-month-old baby who's adorable as ever, okay? And what you're going to do is kind of like the Lion King, you're going to hold her out in front, come down, and come back up. That's the cutest way of doing it. This is Jera, she's the bomb. And anyways, those are 3 exercises to strengthen your back muscles. Have a good one.